Good morning, class 4. I'm Shaila Goel, your English teacher. Today we are going to do our next part of simple present tense, that is changing the sentences into interrogative form. Students, as you all know that there is no helping verb in simple present tense, so we use do or does with simple present tense sentences to change them into interrogative sentences. Now, how do we use do and does? It's simple thing. While we are using do, we should use do with first person pronoun I, second person pronoun you, or plural pronoun like we and they. We can also use with plural nouns, like example cars, kites, boys, girls. Anything with the plural amount can be used with do. Okay, and when we are talking about does, we use does with third person pronoun, that is he, she, it, and it is also used with every single noun. For example, a car, a kite, a man. Okay, so we can use it with a single noun or a third person pronoun like he, she, it. And remember, students, I and you are singular, but they take do. So an interrogative sentence is made by, first we will start with either do or does. Then our subject will come, and then we will also use root form of the verb here also, as we have used in negative sentence. Okay, there will be root form of the verb plus object, and it will end with the question mark. Let's do the exercise 6. Make the sentences interrogative. First sentence is, she uses fresh vegetables for making soup. So here our subject, we have to check the subject. She is our subject and it is third person pronoun. So we use does. Does she use fresh vegetables for making soup? So see here very keenly that uses is changed into its root form use. Okay, students? Second question, he repairs computers and laptops. He is third person pronoun. So we will use does. Does he repair computers and laptops? Next, Sarthak prepares for Science Olympiad. Now Sarthak is singular noun. So we will use does Sarthak prepare for Science Olympiad? Here also prepares is changed into prepare, that is first person pronoun. Root form of the verb. Next is, this book cost rupees 250. Now the book is singular, so we will use does. Does this book cost rupees 250? Here also cost is changed into root form of the verb. Snow falls heavily in Kashmir. Snow is uncountable and it is considered to be singular quantity. Okay, now we will use does. Does snow fall heavily in Kashmir? So we will change falls into fall, that is root form of its verb. 6. Your dog bites the strangers. Now your dog. Here dog is my subject here and it is singular, so we will use does your dog bite the stranger? Okay. Next, we spend our holidays in a village. Now we is plural, so we will use do. Do we spend our holidays in a village? The students present free play. Now students are plural, so we will use do. Do the students present a street play? Okay. Now sixth exercise, we have to spot the errors. Shopkeepers sells various items. Here shopkeepers is plural. With the plural subject we use root form of the verb, so it changes into shopkeepers sell various items. यहाँ पे बेटा s नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि जब प्लूरल होता है तो वर्ब हमारी रूट फॉर्म में होती है, उसमें SES नहीं लगता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, they does not celebrate Easter. With the plural pronoun we use does or do. Yes, my dear kids, we use do. They do not celebrate Easter. He does not gets up early in the morning. When we have written does, we cannot write gets. We have to use root form of the verb get. He does not get up early in the morning. Ria makes fun of children. Now Ria is singular and the verb should have s along with it. So we will write down Ria makes fun of people. Birds flaps their wings. Now birds are plural here, so we have to use root form of the verb and we will say birds flap their wings. Does your parents drop you to school? Now the answer is, do your parents drop you to school, because parents are subjects. Okay, here the subject is parents and parents is plural, so we will use do rather than does. I don't knows him. With do or does we use root form of the verb, so the correct answer is I don't know him. Do we watches news? Now again with do or does we use root form of the verb. Do we watch news? We helps the poor. Again our subject we is plural, so we will write we help the poor. We have to use root form of the verb help, not helps. You do not knocks at the door. Again with do or does we use root form of the verb, so the answer will be you do not knock at the door. Thank you students. I hope you have understood. If there is any confusion, you can call us. Thank you.